This is Sound of Violence by David Chappa. Hello, water, my old friend. I'm consuming you again, 'cause I caught a cold or flu virus. Can't get sick or taken down by this. Now the chills are running down my spine. My stomach whines. Don't trust the sound of violence. Shot after shot of liquid gold. Nyquil is little for my cold. Now I'm reaching for the pink Pepto. Gotta stop this dirty river flow. I can't trust simply passing gas to shit my pants. My stomach knows no silence. From my body sound emits. It's clear it's here, I've got the shits. And the smell of death looms in my halls. Just send flowers, don't bother to call. I'm on death's door, my throat is really sore. I can't take more, I've lost my voice, I'm silent. 7 days of alien birth. How much more can I endure? Then suddenly I feel a bit normal. Take a shower, comb my hair and more. Venture out to the local city store. Then I feel once more I clench but sense the violence. With my shirt not wrapped around my waist to help to hide the brown. I leave the store as the laughs abound. Shower, burn my clothes and watch TV. And I wonder if this will forever be. Depends for me. Oh, I pray for silence. Hello, water, my old friend. Please flush my system once again. God, I pray, make me whole, I feel. I promise I will never cheat or steal. Donate my time to a very worthy cause. Just make this pause for the sound of violence. Oh, the sound of violence. Stay healthy out there.